Abantu bakulelizwe babungaza usuku lwenkululeko bengakwazi ukuphuma emakhaya benze izinto ezejwayelekile ngalolu suku ngenxa ye-lockdown. Intatheli yezindaba ze-SABC uMduduzi Ndlovu ichithe usuku lwanamhlanje nemindeni embalwa eGoli ibheka ukuthi unjani umuzwa osukwini lwama-32 siku-lockdown.
Tinvo setishintshile kuleli njengoba konke kumensi ngenxa yaleli gciwane icorona. Kepha ke lesi sikhathi lesihle kuleminye imindeni ngobe icinisa kuvana kwayo. Labanye benda imisebenzi yasendlini nzawonye kanjalo nekutifoca-foca.
I really thought we would really be free on Freedom Day. So I had thought that South Africans were going to come to the party and lockdown was going to be finished on Freedom Day. So I had really hoped to be free.
Kufunza nge-internet usekhaya sengiyo indlela lensha. Kepha akusime lula kubo bonke. Lana ke kusethwathwa eDaveyton lesempumalanga Randi. Kulana ke lasifola khona phatheka amagaqa loneminyaka lengama-21 lofunza tifundvo te-Human Resource Management e-University of Johannesburg. Uhlala kulendlu namake wakhe nagogo wakhe kanye nebantfwana bakubo labasitfupha. Phatheka lo wenda umnyaka wakhe wekugcina enyuvesi ufuna kutibona sekaphotfulile.
I can say that the coronavirus has really messed up our academic year because we're not sure if we're gonna write the exams or we're still gonna do what we're supposed to do this year next year. We're stressed to never graduate next year.
Sibafisela inhlanhla ke batali labane bantfwana labancane lokhu kunemapopayi nemidlalo ye-internet lekungiyona yinakwa kakhulu kulamalanga. Labanye bakhohlwa ngisho nesikolo. Mina ke ngingumduduzi Ndlovu leti tindzaba te-SABC eJozi.